10 things you might not know about the koalas. Koalas are often thought of as cute, cuddly, and a little bit lazy. But there's more to these marsupials than meets the eye. Here are 10 things you might not know about koalas. Firstly, koalas aren't actually bears. Despite their bear-like appearance, they're actually marsupials, which means they carry their babies in a pouch on their belly. In fact, the name koala comes from the Aboriginal word for no drink, because they get most of their moisture from the leaves they eat. Secondly, koalas are picky eaters. They only eat the leaves of certain eucalyptus trees, and they can be very particular about which ones they like. In fact, they have a specialized digestive system that allows them to break down the toxic compounds in eucalyptus leaves, which are poisonous to most animals. Thirdly, koalas have fingerprints just like humans do. In fact, their fingerprints are so similar to ours that they can sometimes be mistaken for human fingerprints at crime scenes. Who knew koalas were such sneaky creatures? Fourthly, koalas are excellent swimmers. Despite their clumsy appearance on land, koalas are natural swimmers and have been known to swim long distances to find food or escape danger. Fifthly, koalas have a highly developed sense of smell. They use their sense of smell to find food, detect predators, and even communicate with other koalas. In fact, they have a special scent gland on their chest that they use to mark their territory. Sixthly, koalas are surprisingly vocal. They make a range of sounds, from grunts and growls to squeaks and squeals. They even have a special vocalization that they use to communicate with other koalas over long distances. Seventhly, koalas are very social animals. Despite their reputation for being solitary, koalas actually live in complex societies with a strict hierarchy. They even have a special greeting ceremony that they use to welcome other koalas into their territory. Ninthly, koalas are incredibly clean animals. They spend a lot of time grooming themselves, and they even have a special grooming claw on their front paws that they use to clean their fur. Ninthly, koalas have a unique way of communicating with each other through scent. They have scent glands on their chest, near their front paws, and even on their head. They use these scent glands to mark their territory and communicate with other koalas. Lastly, koalas are in danger. Their habitats are being destroyed, and they're facing threats from climate change, disease, and human activity. In fact, conservation efforts are underway to protect koalas and their habitats. But more needs to be done to ensure the long-term survival of these amazing animals. So there you have it, 10 things you might not know about koalas. These amazing animals are full of surprises, and there's still so much to learn about them.